Your brain is being hijacked and you're letting it happen.
We've all been here before, stuck for countless hours watching YouTube, scrolling through Facebook, Instagram.
Our current social media consumption can lead us to depression, addiction, self-doubt, and unhappiness.
Because social media provides immediate rewards with very little effort required, your brain begins to rewire itself.
We have to stop giving our kids free access to social media and phones at young ages.
What's wrong?
I want an iPad. I really want an iPad.
In 2004, you could focus on one screen for 2.5 minutes. By 2012, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Today, 47 seconds. 20 years. We've lost 2 minutes of attention, not because we're lazy, because we've been engineered to fail. Let's talk about dopamine. Every notification, like, scroll, dopamine hits. You feel good, then it's gone. Your brain hunts for the next hit. Silicon Valley built trillion-dollar empires on this. Every app is engineered to hack your attention. Colors, sounds, timing, all designed to trigger dopamine one more time. Adam Gazzaley calls it cognitive overload. Your brain processes 11 million bits per second. You only handle 40 consciously. Dr. Gloria Mark studied this. After interruption, it takes 25 minutes to refocus.
So when you switch from one project to something else, and when you get interrupted, it takes about 25.5 minutes to get back to that project. Now, 25 minutes, that's 25.5 minutes is a long time. What happens?
25 minutes. The more you switch tasks, the more your brain craves switching. You're training yourself to be distracted. This isn't weakness, it's biology being exploited. So what do? Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, all of them. Put your phone away. Use Freedom or Block Sight during work. Your brain can't resist what it can't see. Time block deep work, 90 minutes. One task, no switching. Kyle Newport calls this deep work. Focus without distraction on demanding tasks. It's rare, it's valuable, it's trainable. Restore your dopamine baseline. Stop giving your brain cheap hits. Be bored. Sit with it. That's when creativity happens.
The question I often get is, how long should I try to focus? So my suggestion would be, anytime you're going to sit down and try and focus, and the ideal duration is about 90 minutes. Not exactly 90 minutes, but we can reliably say 90 minutes or less. Okay, it doesn't have to be the full 90 minutes, but trying to push yourself to be able to drop into 2 hours of focus or 3 hours of focus, while possible, is not really in line with what we know about the underlying biology. Everything from our sleep states, or the different stages of sleep, and our waking states is divided into these 90-minute cycles, or so-called ultradian cycles.
The world won't slow down. Technology isn't going away. The fight for your attention will only get more aggressive. But you have a choice. You can let algorithms decide where your focus goes, or you can take it back. Focus is a superpower. In a world where everyone is distracted, the person who can concentrate wins. They outthink, they outcreate, they outperform. Not because they're smarter, because they're present. Turn off the notifications, block the apps, do the deep work. Your brain wasn't designed to lose, it was designed to adapt. Now make it adapt to focus.